Okay, question number two has one more part. So I've copied the table which we got from part two in part B, basically over here, because we're going to use this in part C. It says given that EX is, remember, EX is the expectation, which is basically mu, or it's also the mean. They all mean the same thing. That's given as 15 over 8. Find var of x. Var of x is the variance of x. Now for the variance of x, we have the formula as variance of x is equal to sigma. You have x squared times the probability minus mean of x, or which is the expectation of x, whole thing squared. That's what we're going to do right over here. So sigma x squared p, so that we're going to square the x's. So we have x squared times p, which is 1 over 56 plus 1 squared, that's the x value, multiplied by its corresponding probability, that's 15 over 56, plus 2 squared multiplied by 30 over 56, plus 3 squared multiplied by 10 over 56. So this is sigma, we're adding them all up, so that's sigma x squared times p. That's what we have done right over here. Adding them all up, adding from here till here, adding them all up for 0, 1, 2, and 3, and subtracting this from the mean squared, expectation squared. And expectation squared is already given to us in the question as 15 over 8. So that's just going to be 15 over 8 whole thing squared. So once we do this, we get this as 15 plus 120 plus 90, because for this is 0 squared times 1 over 56, we're going to get 0 for this. So for this we get 15, for this we get 120, and for this we get 90. And all of them are upon 56. So this is upon 56 minus 15 over 8 whole thing squared. And we will get the answer as 225 over 448. That's the answer. And that's done. Question number 2 done.